because for bottle then we have to be there for some time. The sink. You cannot drink in just one time. I don't want to drink so fast also. I want to enjoy. Just not score so much. But that's even this one. The tequila, no, what they call this thing. They sell also martini. Oh, it's okay. Alright. Why not, man? He's selling hang, this is done. Like you're packing, eh? So where you heading? Back to the room? Hotel?
I'm on a downhill plate now. Keep that progress going.
What?
Keep the progress going.
Okay.
I like it.
Thank you very much. Maybe we can bump into each other again sometime. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Bye, Chrissy.
Bye. Take care.
What is the name? Your name. He doesn't want his name to be revealed. Okay, no problem. Can you bring his own chair? I thought you brought your own chair. I thought you brought your own chair. I thought that chair you bring it. I'm like, where did you take? How long you going to be here? I'm going to go for a walk. I already sit here for so long. Be careful your you know your purse is behind. Be careful.
Yeah.
So put an arm around your purse so nobody can take it from there. You need to dress up again like this, you know, if you go, it's not getting ready so I can see them. So I can see them. So I can see the thing.
Ah, siya.
Pandasar. You ate?
I eat and drink.
You ate? Very hunger. This you are. Okay, see you in there. I have to keep an eye. You have to watch because if I come, somebody will think maybe